Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Chrome on your desktop. Make sure both devices are on the same network when testing a real phone. Once DevTools is open, toggle the device toolbar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus M to enter Mobile View. This switches the viewport and user agent to emulate a phone. You should see responsive handles and a device menu. If you want a specific model, select it from the drop-down. Otherwise, use the default responsive mode to begin adjusting size and DPR. Now you configure the emulation so results match real usage. First, pick a device preset or manually enter width, height, and device pixel ratio. That controls layout and image scaling. Next, apply network and CPU throttling to simulate 3G, 4G, or a slower CPU. This reveals performance issues. Also enable touch emulation and use the rotate button to test landscape. These steps reproduce gestures and orientation changes, so you can debug layout and finish by exercising the site while still in mobile view. Interact with menus, forms, and animations to detect layout breaks. Use the Elements panel to tweak CSS Live and the console and performance panels to catch errors and measure rendering and scripting time. Once done, clear caches and retest. If things still look wrong, connect a real phone via USB or remote debugging to Chrome and reproduce the problem there. This often reveals device-specific quirks that emulation misses.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.